Hey guys, welcome back to Tactical Expedition. Today I want to show you one of my options that I included on my 2022 Taycan. Interior accents in Neodyme. It was an option, but it's very cheap compared to what you get. Steering wheel is a little bit upgraded because of the chrono package. It's a little bit thicker. It comes with that kind of a GT style styling. It comes with a knob and it comes with that. That's a chrono package. It looks like a worn out silver, sometimes a little bit yellowish, little bit rose gold type inserts. So it goes into several different places. There, the circle, there, here. That already makes this steering wheel better than the black ones. I've seen one with a high gloss blacks or the silver type, the thicker steering wheel that GTS gets. You even get it right here, the shifter. That's cool. The AC inserts there. You look down, 1 and 2. If it's all black, it's kind of boring, but it gives a little accent, so it's nice. And with the Neodyme option, the chrono clock or chronograph meter, you get that rose gold type face. So you don't have to necessarily change the color unless you want the red one or the yellow one or something. And passenger AC right there, all that. And that's a lot of details that went into this option. See that? Just makes it super luxury, even included in the back. So I mean, when you look at the thing, if it's all black or plastic, you know, it doesn't look good as the one that has an insert. And this option was not as expensive as the other options. So I think this is like the must included option. If you don't like this, there's another option that is like a matte black metal type, and that looked pretty badass too. Without that option, it would have been a little bit just all black and boring. Go on to the Porsche configurator and play around. If you don't like that Neodyme look, some people do like it, some people don't like it. There's no right answer. It's whatever you want, right? Thank you for viewing my video and see you on the next one.